It's our first backpacking adventure. We're heading to Laurel Highlands hiking trail and doing our first overnight adventure as a family. We've got an hour drive to the trailhead. We'll see you there. Hey, Kaylee, are you all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to do today?
I'm backpack.
Where are you backpacking?
Laurel Highlands.
Excellent. Are you all packed up and ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get walking.
What is that? What is Daddy doing? What are you doing, Dada?
Registering so they know where we are or who's on the trail. All right, well, we've just began our hike here on our Laurel Highlands adventure. We've got all of our packs on our back. We're making our way on the trail.
We're following the yellow blaze.
That's right, following the yellow blaze, she says.
How many miles will it be?
We've got 2 miles right
2
now.
miles to go.
Yeah, this will be a test for you. This 2 miles with the first time carrying a pack, so you'll be ready after 2 miles to take a break.
Yeah, and eat some supper.
Eat some food. Kaylee's adventuring over the rocks as she's backpacking here.
With a heavy backpack.
With her heavy backpack, she says.
Because this is so heavy, I'm trying to bounce on it. That rock is not good. Oh. Jackson is up ahead of us and Molly is too. But we will catch up to them. We're all going to do places. Okay.
All right. You know what they say. What goes down, you must come back up tomorrow. At least they've got these steps built in for us.
Whoa.
Yeah?
Balancing game when you have a pack on you.
It's not a game, Mommy.
You know, that's actually a true story, Kaylee. You tell her. Say, Mama, this is serious business.
Don't want to get hurt. And I'm trying to keep my balance.
Yeah?
And I'm going to use that tree to support me.
All right, we're coming up on the crossover for Route 31 to get to the other side of the hiking trail.
We are
All right.
going to cross this road.
All right, we can go. All right. Easy peasy.
Okay, now we were going up this big hill, so we'll see you at the bottom.
What if we stay at the top?
I don't know. We never go to the bottom.
Oh.
This might be like a little road or something. We are going.
Hold on, let me get in front again.
Just head up this little cool kind of path, and I guess we didn't go, well, down like my dad said, so I'll see you soon.
Just sprinkling a little.
No.
So this shelter number 3, this is our home for the night. Yep.
You want to stand there next to it and I'll take a picture?
Our home for the night.
Here, come to the side here and look at it.
It's not a home.
Hold
We
on.
have just got into our shelter, so now I'm going to walk in.
She's going into the shelter for the night. What all's in there? Is there firewood in there ready to go? Okay. We got to remember tomorrow to put clean firewood in.
And then we have some
Yep.
hangers, and we have this thing here. I just took off my backpack.
Okay. All right, so we're inside the shelter. This is what the view looks like from inside. You can see there's a nice fireplace. They do supply wood here, and they've just freshly stocked the wood pile, so we have a big pile of wood for the night. This boy here, he's excited. He's excited. He's waiting for Kaylee and Mama to get back because he misses them already.
We are unpacking now because we're already here at our cabin, and we are going to start unpacking. So I'm going to lay down my things to go under my sleeping bag. And then they will too.
All right, let's lay out our stuff.
Should we move them over to here? You think?
Now we'll stay in the middle right now.
Okay. Oh, here, I can get Mommy's unpacked.
Yep.
There, go. How do you get this out of here? Oh, I got my pillow, Dada. There's my pillow.
Well, we got our fire set for the night. Did we get our fire set, Jackson? I know. So hopefully we'll stay warm. It's going to be a nice rainy evening, but we're under a roof. We've got a warm fire, and we're going to make some food. All right, so tonight for supper, lasagna. So we're boiling our water. Check it out here. It's getting close to being ready to be poured over. And we'll try this. One of Kaylee's favorite foods, lasagna. All right, supper's ready. Kaylee, how is it?
Awesome.
It's awesome. She's got her lasagna in her bowl, and she's just digging in. Nice warm meal
If you guys
in
like
front of the fire.
If you guys like spaghetti and meatballs and with sauce on it, you'll like this.
Oh, so is that good?
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. Sitting by the fire, getting warm, staying warm. Jackson's like, I wish I had lasagna. This is how you camp, isn't it, Kaylee?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Kaylee,
Yeah.
what are you eating for this second supper?
Thai.
Pad Thai. What do you like about Pad Thai?
Well, the noodles are really good and the spices. And if you're not a spicy person, I want to request this for you.
Why? What do you have to do since it's spicy?
I have to get my water right here,
Yeah.
and I have to take a sip.
Oh, does that work for you though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama,
Yep.
how's the Pad Thai?
Delicious.
Delicious.
I love it.
I finished the lasagna. All right. So there's nothing better than making your wife some hot chocolate
And your dog.
and my daughter hot chocolate while we enjoy the fire. I'll have my peppermint tea.
And a nice game of just catching the ball. But this way. That was fun.
All right, going to give you a little tour of this shelter area real quick. Super nice. We've enjoyed it so far this evening. It's very relaxing, just laid back, having a good time. So they have 5 different shelters, and they have water. Now it takes a bunch of pumps for the water. The water you can't drink. It says do not drink. They have the bear trash, bear-proof trash can. Put all your stuff there. Park Service supplies wood for the fireplaces at the shelters. Super nice feature, because then you can stay warm or just relax by the fire. Also another nice touch is they have privies, both men's and women's privies. Nothing fancy, but they'll do the job. That path takes you to two of the other shelters, and then up that way is shelter number 5. So what are you doing now, Kaylee?
Eating some more macaroni.
Oh my, how many suppers is this for you tonight?
3.
3. Is this why our packs were extra heavy? Because we knew you would just eat everything all night long.
Yeah.
Yeah? How's that mac and cheese?
Good.
Good mac and cheese?
I feel like it's better than the macaroni and cheese you make at home with those.
Oh, so it tastes better here.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good. Everything always tastes better outside. Well, it's our first night of backpacking in the books. We are all ready for bed. We've still got a warm fire blazing.
And Jackson is laying on my sleeping bag, so now I can't
And
really...
Jackson thinks he is sleeping inside of the sleeping bag, yes.
My sleeping bag.
Yes. So we will see you in the morning. All right. Well, we made our first night a success here on the Laurel Highlands Trail. Did you sleep well last night, Kayla?
Yeah, I slept really good.
You did sleep really well. Did your sleeping bag work?
Kind of.
Yeah.
It didn't keep me warm because I had it unzipped the whole night.
That's a problem. We still got our
Yep.
fire going. Luckily, we had enough dry wood to kind of get us through the night. We'll leave some wood for the next people here. Make sure it's underneath the roof so it stays dry.
We'll,
Currently, our breakfast is cooking in the pouch,
I already
having
had
biscuits and gravy.
I already had my breakfast.
What was your breakfast?
Pop-Tart and a little Debbie cake and some fruit snacks.
Breakfast of champions right there. All right, we are just about all packed up. We're gonna hit the rainy trail back to the truck. We have had a fantastic first trip on the Laurel Highlands Trail. Did you have a good time, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you have a lot of fun doing?
Probably here at the cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the fun part.
What did you have a fun day doing?
I like the shelter. I like that it rained actually. I think that added a little charm to it.
Yeah, made it relaxing. Yeah, go ahead.
Happy Mother's Day to the mothers that are watching our video.